Just tell myself that it ain't easy to keep on giving away all the beautiful pieces of me. I wasn't sure I'd ever feel again. Been so numbed out by the pain. With just one taste of your kiss, it got me addicted to you, babe. I didn't wanna let the love in, but I guess my heart just knew. Blindsided, I never saw it coming when I fell for you out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. I don't really care about where you've been before, 'cause there's no denying our energy, yeah. Can't keep pushing you away when I know that you got what I need. I wasn't sure I'd ever feel again. Been so numbed out by the pain. With just one taste of your kiss, it got me addicted to you, babe. I didn't wanna let the love in, but I guess my heart just knew. Blindsided, I never saw it coming when I fell for you out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. I fell for you out of the blue. I fell for you out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue.
So we're gonna give her a very special gift. We're gonna make a birthday video for her. And me and my friends here, we're gonna make a New Year video. I don't know if the camera can see. It's dark. It's a bit dark still early morning. Hey, our DJ, how are you?
Good, good, good.
Can you see yourself?
Yes.
It's a bit raining, but still we can do it. We're gonna shoot a good one. You'll see it. You guys, Happy New Year. Watch this video, you're gonna like it. Thank you guys for watching this video. So this is the birthday video, my gift for Hanika. So this is a special video and it's New Year's Day. It's New Year's Day. Her birthday is actually 3 days ago, right?
Yeah.
December 27, but we were not able to shoot because of the weather. But now it's so beautiful here in the Speed. I don't know. I think this place is Speed Bridge. There's a small beach here and you can see the boat in the background. So beautiful. It's early morning. So if you like this video, subscribe and like this channel. Happy New Year to you guys.
Happy New Year, guys.
See you again next time.